講份營營役役嘅工作咁樣咯。咁依家遇到意外啦，嚟到呢度啦。咁為我哋最遠處最為夢覺星空之友，來齊集這裏，來全力抗拒，勇氣智慧也永不滅。Stand with Hong Kong! Stand with Hong Kong!
As an overseas Hong Konger, I think what we can do is to do not give up, first of all, because I can see in Hong Kong there's not much thing we can do. We are in a better position than many Hong Kongers who are currently in Hong Kong. So we can do is voice out our opinions publicly.
现在香港这个情况，所有人都看见了。那个言论自由、集会自由全部都打压得很严重，所以呢，我觉得我们有幸运的、有能力的出来离开香港，在海外的香港人，必须得继续把我们那个思维、想法，用我们那个和平的那个方法去表达，跟不一样的地方的人去跟他们说香港那个情况。香港其实现在已经跟大陆的一模一样了。
Stay with Hong Kong!
Fight for freedom!
Free Hong Kong!
Free Hong Kong!
But we are not here to commemorate. We are here to carry on the fight. That was not the end. Well, perhaps that was the beginning of the end. If you ask, what is our aim? That is victory. Victory to let justice be done. Victory to let us all return and reunite in our homeland. Go for Hong Kong! Go for Hong Kong!